Hey guys, my name is Rudy and I am back. Behind me, as you can see, is my brand new Sealy Posturepedic. So, first impressions, we'll go through the whole thing real quick. This is just that, my first impressions, see what I think. I did notice, and I already reported, the box spring back here. But one thing is, the mattress is definitely thicker, slightly heavier. Right here on the corner is some imperfections in the material. Let's see if I can show you this a little bit more in person. Again, I'm one person and I really need to hit the gym. Right there, I don't know if you can see the imperfections here on the side. So that'll be, I'll be talking to Mattress firm about that one. So this is the Posturepedic Plus. To make this further confusing, Posturepedic Plus is what Sealy calls it. Mattress Firm calls it, switch our screen here, they call it Exuberant 2. Like I said, this name thing makes no sense. I don't understand. The lines with Sealy that they offered was the Optimum 2, the Plus Exuberant, and what I got? Holy cow. Then you got Sealy calling things like Posturepedic Spring 1, Satisfied. I am not making this up. This is just unbelievable. So anyway, my thoughts. What's kind of strange here is I'm used to, you know, being having a pretty firm mattress. This one, I'm feeling, it feels good on my back, but it definitely, I feel like I have a little bit of a sinking feeling. Let me give this a chance and see how well this goes. I think if I have some company over here, I think you'll actually, minimize the movement when somebody moves around. But that we will see as well. Anyway, I want to give you one quick glance. My messy room here. Alright guys, stay tuned. Welcome to the brand new Sealy